consumer credit coming in quick? Well, screw consumer credit. I don't care about consumer credit. Anyway, 651 in the first hour of trading today. Get back a little bit. 618 right now. Good trading day. Let's get into the trades. First and foremost, though, we have a sponsor, Surfshark VPN. That's right, boys and girls. Surfshark VPN. You want discount codes? I got discount codes for you. 83% off a 2-year subscription. But you also get 3 months free. But you also get money back guarantee. Surfshark VPN, link for that is in the description down below. Let's get into the trades on Lululemon. Lululemon, big gap down off of a poor quarter 4 earnings report. Spiked up initially, coming back down. I saw these 2 little levels here from the pre-market that I don't usually use pre-market levels, but I thought it's going to come down this hard with bad news. Maybe we break these levels and get a big flush out through 290. So I went short, and the spreads on this was not fun. This is one of the reasons why I stopped trading it today. It was almost like 80 cents wide. So I went short anyway. Bought puts, bought 5 of them, 767, and half of them I made 3 pennies on, and the other 2 I lost 7 cents on. So even though I got exactly what I was looking for, the spreads were so terrible, I just couldn't make money on it. I did end up trying to trade this a few more times. One more was about 10 minutes later. Let's see. This was a call play. Yep. I was looking for this high day break and maybe a move up towards 300. There's a nice 1 minute here. And it just hit this level, couldn't break out. It did break high in day, but didn't break the 298, the whole dollar level, and started to sell off. I, again, went 5 calls at 689, sold for a 9-cent loss. Here they are. It's a market order. Okay.
Dow Jones Industrial Average up 0.51% after the open. S&P 500 up 0.68%. NASDAQ Composite up 1.08%.
Let's make
Letter
bank you
K,
pussy.
Kellogg's vitamin D petition accepted by the FDA. Letter K.
Wow, 290 push. You gonna do it?
RAD, Rite Aid, hearing deal reporter says Rite Aid to be
First go, second go. Got it.
either acquired or taken private. That being circulated now. Romeo Alpha Delta.
Wow.
That's RAD.
That fill is ass. Oh, wow. That is
Shares of Rite Aid spiking.
taken private. That fill, man. That's a nasty fill on Bava. So 1 minute here. Come on, go. I lose on that. I had a good fill. I was coming out of a halt, and it's kind of hard to shoot. It's kind of hard to see what exactly I was looking at here. Out of the halt, I think I was going for a $2 break. If I'm not mistaken, it dipped and then ripped, and that's typically how I like to play halts. Coming out of a level, it makes a high, dips down, and comes back up towards that high, and that's when I kind of go long. I can't remember, though. I probably was looking at a 30-second chart, which I can't pull up on eTrade, and I can't pull up on TradingView right now because OBS is broken. But just imagine it. Anyway, you'll see it when I run it live. Came up through here, bought 4,000 shares at $1.93, sold for 4 cents. Nice little profit. It did end up ripping higher moments later, but wins win. It's the higher 97.
APGN, Apexogen, resumed trading after a circuit breaker hold. Alpha Papa Golf November.
All out, so you know it's going to go now. Called it. Freaking called it. Up here, out of the open. Broke high today. Pullback candle, pullback candle. So it went candle under candle, which failed first, and then it went candle over candle. I took the long when that happened, and when it did that, it just came right back down. I got to get out of that point because it didn't do what I thought it would do. Really strong case for it to go up, especially with the 1 minute cuck here. Just couldn't break out. I went cuck, then went candle over candle. I went long, came right back down. I sold for a loss. So this is 20 contracts, average is 544. Sold them at 535. Should have gone there.
MRK, Merck CEO, currently on CNBC. Michael Romeo Kilo.
Lulu. NVIDIA had a little rejection level right here that ended up being a 5 minute candle over candle setup. You kind of see it right here. Pop, pullback, candle over candle in the 5 minute. It also had this rejection spot right there. So I was using this little false breakdown. So this was a drop, a bounce, a candle under candle that failed, came back up, gave me a candle over, basically a kind of looks like a W reversal or whatever you want to call it. Bouncing off support, broke this level, ended up breaking this level and making a nice move. I went long here with the 157.50 calls at $4.80. Sold half of them for -5 somehow. Great Philly trade. Absolutely loved it. No idea how that lost money, but the remaining 20 made 7 and made 5 on, or made 4 on. So small winner, but nonetheless a winner. What if that fell?
Canada to purchase 88 F-35 combat jet from the U.S. That's from the Wall Street Journal.
Now it goes. 5-second rule. Trades in here that were just kind of chop fast. I'm not going to go over. But this next one, right through here, looking for a 5 minute candle over candle play, similar to the last one. Went long, 522 on these calls, sold 536, 537, and 533 on that initial move right in this range. The shitty fill.
SNGX, Aliginix X Small Cap Research with a $4.50 price evaluation. That's Sandy November Golf X-ray.
Oh my gosh. ZLAB. I had a couple other Lululemons and Nvidias that were just kind of ins and outs that didn't work out immediately, so I got out. But this next trade is more along the lines of a Sympathy. NVCR had good news on Thursday of last week and shot this sucker up. Well, ZLAB is a similar product and moved up because of NVCR's news. NVCR today is taking a dumpster dive. And because of that, ZLAB is also now taking a dumpster dive. However, ZLAB decided to go daily candle over candle today for some reason before dumping and then going candle under candle. And I went short around this level right here. It was very slow to respond to the move that NVCR was making, which is a big drop with a gap down. On ZLAB, after I saw the candle under candle in the daily chart about to happen, with the low, I first went short on the low a day break. I think is when I took it. The spreads were really wide on these options. But yeah, I went short right here as we got the drop, a bounce candle under candle, lower day break, went to candle under candle in the daily, which ended up going and just collapsing for the rest of the day here. And I covered before 11 o'clock. There was some news coming out at 11 o'clock. I just didn't want to be in the market at that time. But enter these options at 166 and 190, so like a 178 average. And I exited them all really slowly, one at a time, just because the spreads were so bad. 253, 210, 250, 255, 225, 277, 259, 275, 256, 252. So all over the place, and I did that right before 11 o'clock, right through here. So that's what brought me green in the day. Like I said, giving it back a little bit since then, but nonetheless, good day. If you're at all interested in our trading group, come on in, twitch.tv/stockjock. We're in here every single day, making bank or losing money. We're good at both. So hope to see you soon.